Is ham and cheese sandwich too boring for you? If yes, make this recipe instead. Let's begin! In a large bowl, combine 1 large egg and 2/3 cup water. Then sift together 2/3 cup all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix until well incorporated. Refrigerate for about 30 minutes. Prepare the sandwich by arranging sliced bread, ham, cheese, ham again, and sliced bread. Slice into 4 pieces. Insert a toothpick to hold the sandwich together. Then dunk quartered pieces into the prepared batter and make sure to coat evenly. Drop in hot oil and deep fry until golden. Drain excess oil on paper towels. Before serving, you can dust with powdered sugar. Now our fried sandwich is ready! Another recipe that's super easy and everyone will surely enjoy. What do you think about this recipe? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching! More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com.